Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to install the Bip app on your phone properly and what features you are getting in this app. Basically through this app you can make messaging, voice call and video call. This app is 100% secure. So let's first install the Bip app on the phone. To begin, open the Play Store app, then type Bip in the search option. See the apps below, now click on it. Then install the app. See, the app is installed on my phone. Now I am opening the app. The front page will look like that. Now click on Get Bip. Then here comes a privacy entrance. I am continuing it. This page has been asked for my phone number verification, so I am verifying my phone number. After inputting your number here and clicking on Get Verified Code, your number will be automatically verified and you will be transferred to the next page. You will input your name on this page. Once the name is given, clicking on the Done option at the top right will take you to the next page. See, my account is ready. Below I can see 4 options: message, then call, then discover and more. Now I am clicking on more. I am inputting my profile picture by clicking on the profile icon at the top left here. See, my profile picture has been input. Now I am going to the Customize option at the top right. Here I have asked you to add personal information. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.